Most people don't fail at coding because they are bad at it. They fail because they start the wrong way. They open a tutorial, see complex code, get overwhelmed, and quit. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a smarter way to get started with coding. A method that feels like a game, builds confidence fast, and actually works for beginners. I'll also review the exact platform I recommend, but only after you understand why this actually works. Now let's talk honestly. Most coding courses start out with syntax, long explanations, and zero interaction. But coding is not about memorizing, it's about logic, critical thinking, and most importantly, problem solving. This is exactly why beginners feel confused and quit easily. The brain learns when progress is visible, feedback is instant, and learning feels active. And this is exactly why game-based learning works. Now, before I recommend anything, let's define standards. A good beginner-friendly platform must teach one concept at a time, give you feedback instantly, force you to think and not just to guess, show your progress clearly, and most importantly, use real programming logic and not just fake games. Most platforms fail in one or more of these, but the one I'm about to show you checks in all of them. Now, here's how this method actually works. You're not dumped into complex projects. You start with small challenges, simple problems, and clear goals. Each task teaches one idea only, which is applied immediately. And if you make a mistake, there's literally an AI to give you feedback and help you correct those mistakes. This creates something powerful, confidence, and confidence is exactly what keeps people learning. Now that you understand the method, let me show you the platform that does all of this properly. It's called Coddy.tech. Coddy.tech is a game-style coding learning platform designed specifically for beginners. It doesn't overwhelm you, it doesn't rush you, and it doesn't fake learning. It focuses on real coding logic, taught through interactive challenges. So after you come on over to Coddy.tech, this should be what you should see. You can click on Get Started right over here. Continue. And over here, you can select the language you would like to learn. You have Python, JavaScript, C++, C, SQL, Java, HTML, and so much others. So you can select anyone you like. You can select Python. And then you can, why are you learning Python? So you can choose anything you would like to build my own apps, challenge my brain just for fun. So you can click anything you would like. Now they're asking how much are you ready to commit each day. So you can click like 30 minutes per day or 15 minutes per day, depending on you guys. So you can click any time you would like to commit to Coddy.tech. Continue. As you can see, guys, it then loads up Coddy.tech for you. So over here, you get to sign in with your Google account. So you quickly do that. So after you get signed in, guys, this should be the page you should be on. If you come over here, you can see you can add to your journey. You can add any other language you'd like to learn. For now, we will stick with Python. And then here we have streaks. So it's basically how much you're able to continuously keep showing up for Coddy each day. Here we have tokens. So you can get this from the store as well. And here this is your energy. So the maximum right now is 5. So you can see how it's structured. We have the introduction. So it basically teaches you step by step, just like if you were playing a game, guys. You can see it takes this road map structure. So it teaches you like that, like just like a game. So you get to complete levels. There are sections, there are chapters. So on completing each one, you can get to master the language more and more. And if you come over here, we have daily challenges as well. Over here we have the goals, leaderboard, the store, and so much more. So guys, it's a very beginner friendly website. You can just type in Coddy.tech and you should have no problem with navigation of this, guys, because it's straight to the point. You can click on start. So you can see welcome to the lessons environment. So you can skip this. So guys, this is basically how the lessons environment looks like. You can see there are questions and challenges on the left hand side, and over here you have your console and you can basically code on the right hand side, guys. So we can quickly do the first challenge right now. So over here we said Python is one of the world's easiest and most popular programming languages. So we have a challenge and we are meant to look at the code, print hello world, press the run code button to execute it. You should see hello world appear in the output. So guys, since this is just the first lesson, we're only meant to run this code, but as time goes on, as you continue to clear each level, things get more complex and you get to understand the language more. So right now we just click run code, and as you can see, the lesson has been completed. So guys, it's basically like a game like platform, which really is really useful for beginners and can really help you to understand the certain language you want. As you can see, our streak has turned into 1, so you can learn any language you want from this platform, and it's really really useful, guys. So guys, I hope this video helped you a lot, especially if you're a beginner and you're trying to get started with coding. As you can see, I try to keep the video as short as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button to support me on this journey on YouTube and help us get to 200 subscribers, guys. So stay safe. As always, I'm wishing you guys all the best and have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time.